In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways and SiteGround for your first WordPress website. If you're a new blogger, small business owner, or complete beginner, web hosting can feel confusing fast. These two companies are both popular, but they're built for very different kinds of users. SiteGround is designed to feel simple, guided, and beginner-friendly. Cloudways is built more around performance and flexibility, giving you dedicated cloud resources without the usual complexity of managing a server yourself. So before you spend any money, it helps to understand what separates them. With SiteGround, you're using a managed WordPress hosting environment built on top of Google Cloud infrastructure. In practical terms, that means they handle the technical optimization for you, and everything is tucked inside a polished dashboard called Site Tools. On standard plans, your website shares server space with other users, but the experience is intentionally streamlined. Cloudways works differently. It gives you a managed control panel on top of cloud providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, or AWS. Instead of traditional shared hosting, you get an isolated virtual server with your own dedicated RAM and CPU allocation. That usually means more consistent performance and better room to grow. Now let's talk pricing, because this is where beginners often get surprised. SiteGround usually attracts new users with a low introductory price, but that discount requires paying upfront for a longer term. After the first term ends, the renewal rate increases significantly. Cloudways, on the other hand, uses a monthly pay-as-you-go model. There's no big upfront commitment and no dramatic renewal jump later, which can make budgeting much easier. Another major difference is email. SiteGround includes professional email inbox hosting with its plans, which is very useful if you want a business address tied to your domain. Cloudways does not include email hosting by default, so if you need business email, that becomes an extra service and an extra cost. So if you want maximum simplicity, built-in email, and a setup process that feels heavily guided, SiteGround is the easier path. You can go to their website, choose an entry-level plan, complete checkout, and use the onboarding wizard to install WordPress, activate performance features, and start building quickly. If you want more speed, more control, and no long contract, Cloudways is the stronger option. You can start a free trial, launch a WordPress optimized application, choose DigitalOcean, select the premium tier, set the server size to 2 gigabytes of RAM, pick the data center closest to your audience, and launch the server. After that, open your application dashboard, go to domain management, enter your domain, and set it as primary. Then go to the SSL certificate section, enter your email and domain, and install the certificate. So your site is protected with HTTPS. Before going live, do one final check. Confirm your server details look correct, your memory and storage are within safe limits, your SSL is active, and everything appears stable in the dashboard. Once that's done, you're ready to launch with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.